Top 10 adorable animals that could totally destroy you. They're cute, they're cuddly, they're also secret assassins. Here are the top 10 adorable animals that could totally kill you. 10. Slow loris. Big eyes, gentle hand, venomous bite. Cute but deadly. 9. Blue-ringed octopus. Tiny, glowing, beautiful. Also delivers instant paralysis. 8. Swans. Elegant, yes, but attack like feathered MMA fighters. 7. Dolphins. They smile while being dangerously aggressive. Nature's charming psychopaths. 6. Platypus. Males. That ankle spur? Venomous. Bet you didn't see that coming. 5. Polar bears. Fluffy? Yes. Huggable? Absolutely not. 4. Elephants. Smart, majestic, and responsible for hundreds of human deaths annually. 3. Koalas. They look bait, but they bite hard when provoked. 2. Cats. Yes, house cats. They've plotted your demise at least once. 1. Hippos. Adorable marshmallows that outrun boats and crush skulls. Nature's cutest killers. Proceed with caution and maybe a helmet.